is the Hypervision chip Unzip. You have a platform that runs on an XY and a Z motor here, which brings the bit down to grind your material. The Z goes down and grinds the surface of your piece that you're processing. Inside here, you open up the door. You have a cooling mechanism for cooling the product. It is fed by an outside tank here. Hooks up to the hoses that are in the back here. Pumps it through. Drains out through this hose. And goes back into the pumping unit. Also in here, there's a camera, which you can see a picture of the unit here, where it's drilling out, and a light to illuminate that. Emergency switches here. You have your extra tools here, and this one is a manual tool, which comes out. It's controlled by an air valve. You turn that on. It spins up to speed, so you can use this manually. It also has a mounting device, so you could put this into the Z motor for up and down movement too. To remove or insert a tool, there's a lever here on the left-hand side. You bring that forward, pull it all the way, and it pops out. Here we have a tool with a grinding surface on it. Put it back up, pull it until it locks into place, and it's ready to go. So it's very easy to change tools. There is a protection so that when the door is open, it will not engage the drill. Over here is the computer. Whenever you turn it on or whatever, you have to zero it. To zero it, you would hit the F1 key, or it would prompt you and tell you that you need to zero it, and then F7. And you can see 0 comes here. At this point, there's an instruction sheet about where all the key assignments are. Number 5 will send it to 0. When I push that, you'll see it comb through its 3 different axes. Okay, so it's completed the 0. At this point, we can go into automatic mode by pressing the F3 key and hitting the Enter key, which will start the program running. As it's going through the program, there's different keys you can see to see how it's going, and it's showing the actual here positions of the axes as it moves around. and that's according to the program that you've programmed in. You can also see as it goes through the program here, it'll step through the program showing what you've programmed here. This does have the capability to store programs and recall them as you need them. It also has the ability to do subroutines so that you can create blocks and insert them into the program so you don't have to keep writing the same thing over again. When the program has finished, pulls the drill out of the way and then brings over the piece that you were processing so you can examine it. Okay. On the right hand side, we have our power in. There's a power strip on the back to connect the camera, etc. in the computer. This is a communication cable that goes to the computer for communication between the two, and your on and off is here with this key.